this is how we jive for mass communication. I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy anything from Mercado Libre if you are traveling to Latin America. For example, countries Colombia, Argentina, Chile, Uruguay, even Brazil. So you can buy cheap product easy, and they will send you to your house, similar as Amazon. The service is really good, reliable in this case. They have good because you have so many other websites. Some of them are not secure, but Mercado Libre is not totally secure, but relatively secure. So you have to download the app. In this case, I have here, you can see the yellow color logo of Mercado Libre. Hit this one. You can buy also things in 12 installment in this case. Whatever you want to search, here at the top, searching option, you have to type here. For example, I want to buy a TP-Link camera. I hit here. So you see appear in searching option. So I already have decided which one I want. So TP-Link, this one. Price you see 11,899. That is Argentine pesos. Hit this one. Equivalent to $40 could be. In European market, price could be a little bit more. Some product here in Argentina is cheaper and some product in Europe is cheaper. Now I'm scrolling down here. You see this option. Put to your cart or comprar ahora. So I want to buy this one. I hit directly comprar ahora. That means buy now. Hit this button. One most important thing, check the guarantee, how many month or year it has. You see here, I come to garantía, that is in Spanish. Un año, that means 1 year guarantee. So I go back and I hit here the button comprar ahora, that means buy now. If you want to extend your guarantee, you can extend for 1 year 3,969. That would be 10 or 12 euro. I don't want that, so I hit no añadir, that means don't add extended guarantee option. Here we go. They will send to my house directly. That is free, and I can go and collect from different places. That would be free too. So once they send me to my house tomorrow, I hit, and after that you have to continue with the paying option with your credit card, debit card, or Mercado Pago. They have one option, Mercado Pago. You can use that. I hit with my credit card option here, and now here appear my credit card other information and how many quotas or installment I want to buy. So I hit for one installment. Here we see envío gratis, that is free, check always. The price is 11,899. All looks good, everything is fine. Now without any further ado, I hit here comprar ahora. It's filling the option. Let's see. It's done. So very easy and simple tutorial, guys, how you can use Mercado Libre if you are traveling to Latin America or if you're living here. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.